We are fitting the tuggy body to Old Blue. We got to cover up some of these fantastic welds that you see. So I had to cut it down the middle, split it a little bit to lengthen it, and make a couple filler panels, weld up a frame to hold the body up. And this is going to be one of the carts out there on the track. You've seen a couple of the other carts with bed bodies on. This one's a sandbox. So I had to bend some square tube to match the contour of the sandbox. So we're working on some cross supports now. It will weld so we can hold the body up. I'll have to make a filler panel in the side. We did split it to make it longer so I could leave the back of it on. Got our 212 Predator on the back of here. Got a torque converter clutch and an almost stock carburetor on it. And got a few other carts here that we're trying to get ready also. So this one is the Blazer that you saw in the videos. So it had a bent rear axle and it'd chatter your teeth going around the track. So we put a different axle in it, different tires on it. We got to get a brake caliper on it and a sprocket and chain, and this one should be close to ready to go, and then just put the body back on. So this is a stock 212 Predator, just got a governor delete. So you'll see this one out there. The one in front is a Cadillac Escalade, had a ghost motor on it. We ran into a few problems last time we had it out. It developed a slight knock, and we don't know what's wrong with it. It's right here, going back under warranty. And then the fourth cart over there is the one that Joe just put together. So it actually goes pretty good. We're trying to figure out what kind of body to put on that one now, so it'll be a surprise. Alright, that'll hold up the back of the body. So I'm going to trim around here for the tires. We'll have another mount in the back to hold the back. You can see the crossbar I just tacked in. And then I have to make a mount to hold the front of the tuggy body up. So I'm going to get back to work on that and hopefully get some progress. So I think I'm gonna run a bar straight across and then mount a couple supports. Might have to put some Lexan in the windshield so I don't get any dirt in my teeth. All right. Trial and error here, trial and error. Faster.
Ooh,
Air?
yeah, that time it's skeeted.
All right. Tons of air, more air. All right.